Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going to Woody's Tap House. I'm going to meet a friend for lunch. That's in Lake Country, BC. First up, we're going to do a quick shot. This is an interesting shot. It's called a cartwheel. So it's basically just a shot of Tuaca, which is brandy from Italy that has vanilla and citrus notes. And then you're supposed to shoot it, but you're supposed to suck on the lime like you would. You're supposed to suck on the lime like you would a tequila shot, but you doctor up the lime. So you're supposed to put the good. It says an ounce of bitters. I don't know about an ounce, but I got a good schwack of bitters on there. And then you're supposed to put powdered sugar on the lime. I just sort of rimmed my glass with sugar, so we'll get a little bit of sugar on the lime, and basically bam bam. So we'll give it a try.
Can you swim your hands over?
That is fantastic. Woo. All right, coming up next, we're going to Lake Country, British Columbia. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. What's up, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.